It's a lovely day in Washington State for sure. Hey, let's take a trip. Olympic Mountains. 1-day hike. Let's go. Oh, by the way, this is going to be the $200 and under gear video. Alright, we're on the road. Now, before we go, got to stop off at Tacoma General and do a stress test. Reason why, recently they found cancer in my stomach. Good news, they cut it out. Caught it super early. Extremely lucky. I'll do a video someday when all this is over, kind of going over what I've been going through. But let's go get this stress test done and then officially on vacation. Morning. No receipt. Thank you. Cross the bridge. Run. Whew, that was a little bit of a run there, but it looks like the CTs or the EKG is fine. We'll just wait. They did the. Thank you. They did the ultrasound, and you know the gel is warm these days. It's not cold like it used to be. All right, going off the diet a little bit. Curly fries, I love them. Oh, so good. Alright, let's get on the road, get out to the mountains. It's going to be a couple-hour trip to Forks. So we're heading out to Forks. We're going to go across the bridge a little north of Silverdale and head over to Port Angeles, and then we'll go down 101 from there. All right, we got to make a stop at Best Buy to pick up some last-minute electronics, and we'll pick up some ice cream and get back on the road. Got our ice cream. Off the diet today. That's right, because I got my probiotic. Look at that. Got to get that. All right, we are late. Let's get going. So if you're on your way to Port Angeles and you need to stock up on gas and food and deli, this is it, man. Longhouse Market and Deli. They got everything. I stocked up on my water for the trip and got a little lasagna.